Want to talk a little bit about our service of tape and reel and cover tape and carrier tape, the whole process on the production floor. Most everything we do in the building ends up on tape and reel. So to talk about the different types of carrier tapes, as you can see, a small selection we have here. We can do everything from up here on the top. I'll grab this guy. This is a tiny 8mm wide. What's important in carrier tape, one of the important factors is the width of the carrier tape. This guy here is 8mm wide. So 8mm is where you start, and you go to 12, 16, 24, 44, 56, and 72. We can process all those different widths on the floor. We also manufacture carrier tape, and we can also manufacture all the same widths of carrier tape. Another part I want to show you here to show the wide range of devices that we can carrier tape. This guy here is also an 8mm carrier tape, but if you look at it, this is for a SOT 23. So a SOT 23 is the same size, similar size, excuse me, as a WLCSP package, which is wafer level chip scale packaging, which we do a lot of. We manufacture tapes like this, as well as do a lot of tape and reeling on small devices such as this. Then we can get into the larger type of carrier tapes. These things here are more or less squares. This is a 24mm carrier tape, and you can see it's an easy square. There's such a wide selection, I can't show you every one of them. Some will have pedestals in them, as you can see here. This one will have a pedestal in there where it allows the gull wing part to sit up to prevent damage. Again, this is a 24mm carrier tape. And we also do a lot of custom stuff. So I have a couple of custom jobs we do here. And you can see these are the EPS reels. This is a 22-inch EPS reel that we'll either sell to customers or we'll buy it from ourselves. We'll create the custom carrier, as you can see there. I'll pull it up, but you can see it's a very deep pocket. This is for a connector. I can pull out a little piece of it and show. I find the end of the tape. There we go. So you can see here now, this is a 32mm wide, I believe, carrier tape. 24mm wide. The pitch is 32mm width. Pitch is 24. So what you can see here is this is for a connector. It's a really deep component. It's got a lot of different flexibility to it. The pocket was built custom for this customer. We actually have a couple of them. This one's the 32. And again, it's for a connector. We manufactured this tape. We also do all the taping and reeling right here in Indianapolis. We have another version as well, which is the EPS carrier tape. This guy here is a 44mm width, so you can see the width of it. In comparison to the tiny one that I showed you. We can give you a little sneak peek at this guy. So this is a bigger connector. Again, 44mm width, a pretty deep design. Again, it's a connector type of pocket. Custom, so we have a lot of customers that we build custom carrier tapes for. In the industry, these days, surface mount, a lot of customers want to put everything on tape and reel. So come into EPS, we can design your pocket within a few days, give you a 2D or a 3D drawing, get up to speed in as quick as 10 days, if that's what you need. Standard lead times maybe 2 to 4 weeks, but again, we can expedite things because we do it ourselves down in our facility in Mexico.